my intention. I give myself permission to release all fears and doubts. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Tracy, and this is my channel. I am Tracy Lynn. This is your space for lifestyle content, grown woman energy with a southern flair for all my mature babes of a certain age. What? Oh Lord, my baby gonna text me as soon as I start with y'all. Yeah, as you can see, she has on her cozy furry robe. I have been in the bed all day because I'm not feeling well. I'm a little bit under the weather. And I got to get this together because I got stuff to do this month. If you're watching this, also, this is a part of my Vlogmas for the month of December. And this is probably Vlogmas number 4 or 5. And yeah, today is not going to be much of anything, y'all. I am going to cook because I'm not going to go anywhere. As a matter of fact, after I cook, I'm probably going to get back in my bed. On the previous vlog, you saw me season some red snapper, and I'm going to cook it today. And this is, let me show it to you. So I made it, I seasoned it last night. And in my head, I was thinking I was just going to do some, do the red snapper and then cook like a little rice. I have some spinach and just do some spinach, just something really simple. And then I start saying, oh, you know what? I cut up these peppers the other night. Excuse me, y'all. I cut up these peppers the other night, and maybe I'll just do like a Alfredo pasta with the snapper. Now, I've never had red snapper with some type of Alfredo pasta, so I'm not sure how that's going to turn out. But I think that's what I'm leaning towards. But the more I think about it, y'all, I just don't feel like standing in here doing all of that, making no fresh Alfredo sauce and all that. I don't know what's about to happen. But I also have a little bit of shrimp left over that I need to go ahead, it's already seasoned. I need to go ahead and cook it. I had made like some shrimp quesadilla yesterday because it was just simple and quick and easy, and I could already kind of feel I was coming down with something. I think the next time I go walk the Beltline, because I know how quickly I can catch a cold. I think the next time I go walk the Beltline, I'm going to have on a hat or at least, I guess, more layers of clothing because I started to feel kind of, And so I already took some Tylenol, cold and sinus, which I don't think I'm supposed to do, child, with this blood pressure medicine, but I needed to do something because I didn't want to be down. And then I also made me some tea, and I'm going to warm that up because I didn't drink all of it. I'm going to warm that up. It's like some ginger and lemon. I'm going to warm that up. And when I make my way back to that room to get in that bed, I'm going to take that tea with me and sip on that. And I'm probably just going to drift on off to sleep, I'm not doing anything, but I'm trying to feel better for tomorrow and for the rest of this week because I got stuff planned this week, y'all. And so I need to try to feel better. I don't like to get down and be down with I hate having a cold anyway. I hate feeling sick anyway. You know what I'm saying? Like I woke up with a headache yesterday, day before yesterday, and today. And I know it was probably from too much wind going in my ears when I was out walking. Because y'all saw me cover up my ears at a certain point. But y'all, it don't take but a little for me to be down. It don't take but and so I should have did that before I even got out the car. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this red snapper. Because this week, y'all, I think I told you in the last vlog, or maybe I didn't, that I wasn't really in the holiday spirit. The Christmas spirit, I really wasn't in it. And I said to myself, like, I got a tree in my storage unit right here. And I was like, I'm not finna pull out that big tree and put that tree. First of all, I ain't even put that tree together in forever. Like when I got the tree, I was in my house and my daughter always would put the tree together. My son would help her put it together, and then she would decorate it. So, child, I ain't never even put that tree together. Ooh, I'm a bad mama. I ain't never put that tree together. They used to put the tree together. And that was mainly because, y'all, when I got the tree, when I was in the house, like, I was still flying. So my schedule was kind of all over the place. So my daughter her and my son would just take the initiative and put the tree up. Of course, I'm putting gifts up under it. So that's good enough. So I've never put this tree together. And I was just like, and it's probably not going to get put together, at all. But then I thought to myself, maybe I'll at least go out to like Home Goods or whatever and look for just a couple of little decorative holiday themed decor to kind of put around. I did used to have this really nice garland that I used to put across my fireplace. Maybe I'll dig that out and put it somewhere. But child, I don't know where would I put it. I don't even know. I don't know where I would put it. Then I was thinking, well, maybe I'll just get like a wreath, and maybe and I think I still have my wreath too. I'm gonna have to look out there. But I was thinking this weekend I would go and get just a few things to just kind of put around. Some type of little, festive decor. Maybe not. But anyway, I'm going to see if I'm going to do that or not. But I think I am about to go ahead and cook this snapper. So when I decide how I'm going to cook it, I'm definitely going to show you guys. I hope that the start of your holiday season has been great. I really do. And I hope that, whatever you're looking for, you find it this season, just like whatever I'm looking for, I find, which for me, y'all, it's just peace and happiness, child. Listen, peace and happiness, love and happiness. Hey, Al Green all day. That's what I'm looking for, love and happiness. Hey, something that'll make you do wrong, make you do right. But yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and quit acting up around here. Cook this food so I can sit down somewhere, because I'm gonna cook it, and I'm probably not even gonna eat it right now, but I'm gonna cook it and put it in a container. That way when I do feel like I'm hungry, I can just pop it in there and be good to go. So yeah, it's gonna be red snapper. The more I think about it, child, it might just be a little rice and a little spinach, because that's gonna be easy for me to make. Cut up a little onion, cut up a little garlic, sautéed spinach, had that rice in the yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Had that rice in the rice cooker. Put it in the rice cooker so I ain't got to stand there over it. Or maybe I got, oh, wait a minute, y'all. I think I got two different types of rice I could just kind of throw in the microwave, y'all. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I could do one of these. I could either do this red beans and rice. What y'all think? Or I could do this Spanish style. What is this? Spanish style with quinoa, peppers, and corn. Ooh, that might be good. With this snapper and some spinach. Oh, this is getting easier and easier. Oh yeah, I might be back in the bed within the next 30 minutes. Let me go ahead and cook this snapper and this spinach. That's what I'm gonna do, y'all. So I will see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna be right back with the preparation of this snapper. Okay?